In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add collapsible text elements to your Wix website. This feature is a great way to keep your content organized and user-friendly, making your site more interactive and visually appealing. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, we need to log in to your Wix account. Head over to wix.com and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, you'll find yourself in the dashboard. From here, locate the site you want to work on and click on the Edit Site button. This will take you straight into the Wix Editor, which is where the magic happens. Now that we're in the editor, the next step is to add some elements to your page. Look to the left-hand side of your screen and you'll see a toolbar. In this toolbar, click on the option that says Add Elements. Once you click there, you'll be presented with a variety of options. We're interested in adding text, so go ahead and choose the text option. Within the text menu, you'll find the collapsible text feature. Click on it and you'll see different style options appear. To add a collapsible text style to your page, simply click on the style that appeals most to you. Then drag it onto your page. This is as easy as clicking and holding the desired style, dragging it over to your preferred spot on the page, and then dropping it there. Once you've placed it on your page, it's time to adjust and customize the text. You can do this by clicking directly on the text box. Here, you're free to change the wording and make any necessary layout adjustments to suit your site's aesthetic and purpose. Now let's customize the button associated with your collapsible text. Click on the button to open its settings. In these settings, you have the power to modify the text, adjust the color, and change the font. Not only that, but you can also tailor the expand and collapse behavior. Decide whether you want the text to expand right there on the same page or if you prefer it to link to another page altogether. This flexibility allows you to control the user experience based on the needs of your website. It's important to take the time to review these customizations and ensure everything aligns with your website's design and functionality goals. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, take a moment to preview your revised site and ensure everything functions as expected. Congratulations! You've just added a collapsible text element to your Wix website. This feature will help you manage content efficiently and can enhance the overall user experience. Thanks for sticking with me today as we explored how to make your Wix site more dynamic. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy editing!